P.S. The National Electrical Code contains several requirements for the height of overhead power lines, cable, television cable, and phone lines above various surfaces. Section 230.24 provides the general requirements for the installation of overhead conductors. Section 225.18 provides the specific requirements for the height of overhead service conductors above various surfaces, including streets, alleys, driveways, and sidewalks. Section 800.40 provides the specific requirements for the height of overhead cable, television, and telephone lines above various surfaces, including streets, alleys, driveways, and sidewalks. Table 225.18 provides the minimum height requirements for overhead service conductors above various surfaces. Some key requirements are: firstly, overhead service conductors must be at least 10 feet above streets and alleys. Secondly, overhead service conductors must be at least 12 feet above driveways. And thirdly, overhead service conductors must be at least 15 feet above sidewalks. Cable, television, and telephone lines must be at least 10 feet above streets and alleys. Cable, television, and telephone lines must be at least 12 feet above driveways. Cable, television, and telephone lines must be at least 15 feet above sidewalks. These requirements are intended to help ensure the safety of people and property. By following these requirements, electrical contractors can help to prevent accidents and injuries. In addition to the NEC, there may also be local codes or ordinances that have additional requirements for the height of overhead lines. It is important to check with local authorities to determine if there are any additional requirements that must be met.